Looking for the perfect mix of fun, practicality, and affordability? In 2026, the gadget world is full of clever little tools that make everyday life easier. And you don't need to spend a fortune to get them. From smart home helpers to kitchen wizards, portable tech, and quirky toys, these 15 gadgets under $50 are proof that innovation doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're treating yourself or hunting for a unique gift, these picks are guaranteed to impress and add a spark of convenience and fun to your day. LISEN Cell Phone Stand. The LISEN Cell Phone Stand is an affordable, thoughtfully designed desktop accessory that makes using your phone hands-free more comfortable throughout the day. It features adjustable height and tilt, letting you set the viewing angle between roughly 5 degrees and 85 degrees to reduce neck strain, and a weighted anti-slip base with silicone pads keeps your device secure without scratching surfaces. A neat charging cable cutout helps manage cords so you can power up while you watch or work. Compatible with most smartphones up to about 10 inches, this stand is priced at $15, delivering solid build quality and utility at a very wallet-friendly price. SwitchBot Smart Switch. The SwitchBot Smart Switch, SwitchBot Bot, is a compact, practical smart home gadget that lets you retrofit ordinary rocker switches and button-based devices with wireless control and automation. About the size of a matchbox, approximately 43 by 37 by 24 millimeters, 42 grams, it installs in seconds using the included adhesive and connects to your phone via Bluetooth through the SwitchBot app. You can set schedules, automate routines, and with a hub added, enable voice control through Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. It runs on a single CR2 battery with long life and works with most rocker switches and one-way buttons. The bot typically sells for $30, making it a budget-friendly way to add smart home convenience. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. The Fullstar Original Pro Chopper is a versatile 4-in-1 kitchen gadget that turns tedious meal prep into a faster, cleaner process. Equipped with rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades, a 5-cup catch container, and a non-skid base, it dices, slices, chops, and spiralizes vegetables and fruits with minimal effort and mess. The ergonomic design and dishwasher-safe parts make it user-friendly for everyday cooking. Widely available around $30, it offers excellent value for a multifunctional tool that streamlines chopping tasks without taking up much space. Turelar Immersion Blender. The Turelar Immersion Blender is a versatile kitchen tool that makes everyday food prep easier by pureeing, whipping, chopping, and blending with a single handheld device. Equipped with a powerful 1,100 watts full copper motor and a variable speed trigger control, it quickly transforms soups, smoothies, sauces, and baby food into smooth textures while reducing splatter. The set usually includes multiple attachments like a whisk, milk frother, and chopper, and features a food-grade nylon blade guard for scratch-free cooking. At an average price of $36, it delivers solid performance and functionality without stretching your budget. Brigii Electric Lighter. The Brigii Electric Lighter is a compact, rechargeable gadget that replaces traditional flame lighters with a modern plasma arc ignition system that works in wind and all weather. Perfect for lighting candles, stoves, BBQs, and more without fuel or flame. It includes an integrated double safety switch to prevent accidental activation and charges conveniently via USB, eliminating disposable batteries. Lightweight and easy to use, it's both eco-friendly and practical for everyday tasks. Priced at $13, it's an excellent under $50 tool for home and outdoor use. Starfrit Rotato Express Peeler. The Starfrit Rotato Express Peeler is a fun, time-saving kitchen gadget that takes the drudgery out of peeling potatoes and other produce. Simply secure your vegetable or fruit on the base, press a button, and it spins to remove the skin in seconds, even on delicate items like tomatoes and cucumbers. With minimal waste and hands-free operation. It includes a non-slip base, built-in blade storage, and a thumb knife for blemishes, making prep safer and cleaner than manual peeling. Prices vary by retailer but hover around $30, keeping it an affordable under $50 helper for busy kitchens. Kusini S'mores Maker. The Kusini S'mores Maker is a tabletop indoor gadget that brings cozy campfire fun to your home without open flames. It features a flameless electric heater, 4 detachable trays, and 4 roasting forks so friends and family can roast marshmallows and build s'mores together at movie nights or parties. Its compact matte black design fits easily on counters, and setup is as simple as plug in and go. While typical prices vary, many sellers have it around $35, keeping it budget-friendly for indoor entertainment and sweet gatherings. OLIGHT IMINI 2. The OLIGHT IMINI 2 is a tiny but impressively practical everyday carry flashlight that fits effortlessly on your keychain and shines bright when you need it. This compact rechargeable LED light produces a 50 lumen output from its cool white beam, enough to illuminate small spaces, find dropped items, or handle emergencies around the house. It features an integrated USB charging plug for fast recharges in about an hour and a magnetic base so you can stick it to metal surfaces for hands-free lighting. At an approximate price of $20, it delivers solid performance, durability, and convenience in a lightweight, pocket-friendly design. Ideal under $50. Nelko P21 Label Maker. The Nelko P21 Label Maker is a compact Bluetooth-enabled thermal label printer that's perfect for organizing your home, office, or classroom with crisp custom stickers without ink or toner. It connects to your iOS or Android phone via the Nelko app, so you can choose from 90+ fonts, templates, and design options, and print sharp black and white labels at 203 dpi resolution. The device is small and portable, easy to carry and use anywhere, and runs on a rechargeable battery. At an exact price of $30, it's an affordable, user-friendly gadget that brings everyday labeling tasks into the modern age with simplicity and convenience. RMDRMD Fidget Gun JJ005. The RMDRMD Fidget Gun JJ005 is a novelty EDC fidget toy designed primarily for stress relief and tactile engagement. It combines slider and click mechanisms in a compact, gun-shaped form that you can flick, slide, or spin to unwind during long work or study sessions, much like other fidget gun-style toys that deliver satisfying tactile feedback and help with focus. Buyers should be cautious about quality and seller reputation, as many listings for similar fidget guns vary widely in build and reliability. A typical price for these kinds of fidget gun gadgets is around $40 for a metal alloy model with smoother action and better durability, making it an intriguing under $50 desk accessory if sourced from a reputable retailer. 3 Peaches Wireless Earbuds. The 3 Peaches wireless earbuds are a very affordable true wireless audio option that packs more features than you'd expect for the price. They come with Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, IPX4 water resistance, and both active and environmental noise cancellation, ANC and ENC, to help reduce background noise during music playback or calls. The earbuds and their charging case feature an intuitive touch interface, and total playtime can reach about 25 hours with the case. Designed for everyday use, they fit snugly and work with both iOS and Android devices. Priced at $20, they deliver solid value in the budget wireless earbuds category, under $50, though users have mixed feedback on controls and sound quality. Dormzie ST06. The Dormzie ST06 portable tire inflator is a handy compact gadget for drivers and outdoor enthusiasts who want quick, reliable tire inflation without bulky gear. It delivers up to 150 psi of pressure, features a digital LCD pressure gauge with auto shutoff, and includes LED lights for roadside use and a 10,000 mAh battery that doubles as a power bank. Its LCD display and multiple adapters make it versatile for car, bike, ball, and mattress inflation. The ST06 typically sells for $40, offering strong performance and convenience under $50. Fanttik E1 Pro. The Fanttik E1 Pro electric screwdriver is a handy precision tool that's perfect for DIYers, gadget enthusiasts, and everyday fixes around the house. It comes with 24 magnetic S, 2 steel bits, and a USB-C rechargeable 350 mAh battery that can run for up to about 2 hours of continuous use, enough to tighten up to roughly 400 screws before needing a charge. The magnetic design keeps bits secure, and its 2 torque settings make it versatile for electronics, watches, phones, and small appliances. With a pen-style ergonomic build that's easy to grip and carry, it combines convenience with functionality. The E1 Pro typically sells for $43, offering solid value under $50 for anyone who wants a compact electric screwdriver without overspending. WUBEN G5. The WUBEN G5. Rechargeable EDC flashlight is a surprisingly capable everyday carry light for its size and price. This compact torch delivers up to 400 lumens of bright white light with a beam distance around 82 meters, and also includes RGB and beacon modes for signaling or low-light tasks, all in a lightweight design around 52 grams that's easy to pocket or clip on gear. It's USB-C rechargeable with solid runtime and built-in IP68 waterproofing and magnetic base for hands-free use. At $25, the G5 offers excellent performance and versatility under $50, though it's worth buying from reputable retailers to avoid counterfeit units. RAK Magnetic Wristband. The RAK Magnetic Wristband is a surprisingly handy gadget for DIYers, handymen, and hobbyists who want to keep small metal parts within easy reach while working on projects. It's made from durable 1680D ballistic nylon and embeds 10 extra strong magnets throughout the wristband to securely hold screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits right on your arm. A convenience that saves time and prevents dropped pieces mid-task. The adjustable one-size-fits-most design is lightweight and comfortable for extended use, and it can also be hung on a belt or workbench when not worn. You can find this useful tool for about $17 on Amazon, making it an excellent under $50 addition to your toolbox.